If you want to link your YouTube channel to your Instagram profile, for that, first you have to open up your YouTube app, head over to your profile picture in the bottom right. Next, go to your channel homepage, and from here, hit the three-dot menu and choose Share. Now select Copy Link. This copies your channel's URL. Now let's jump over to Instagram. Now go to your profile by pressing the profile icon at the bottom, then select Edit Profile. Now go to the link section and choose Add External Link. Now paste the YouTube link into the URL box, give it a title, and once you are done, press Done from here, and that's it. Now go back to your profile and you will see your YouTube link right here. Now when someone visits your Instagram, they will see your YouTube channel link right in your profile, and clicking it will take them straight to your channel. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.